Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add more than one photo in Instagram story. So if you want to publish or post a photo in your Instagram story, but in this case, you want to add multiple photos at the same time, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add more than one photo in Instagram story, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone. This could be on Android, it could be on iPhone. Then locate and click on the plus button. Through the navigation, select story. Now, once you selected story, locate and click on the image icon at the bottom left. Then here, click on this button to select multiple photos. Now you can now go ahead, scroll down the page, and then find the photo you want to post on your Instagram story. So in this case, I'm going to select more than one photo. So just scroll through the gallery page, find the photo and then select it. That's 2. Then keep scrolling. Mark you can select any type of photo of your choice. So once you are done selecting them, go ahead and click on this pointed arrow. Then you should see all the photos you've selected that you wanted to publish on your Instagram story. Then click on this pointed arrow again to publish it, or add caption, add location, add music, mention someone like this. Then add music and then publish. Then spot that says to your story or to your close friends. So here, select your story and then click on share. Tap done here. Now once you click on the done button, then you should see the post uploaded to your Instagram story. This might take a couple of seconds, so just wait for the post to be uploaded to your Instagram story. So you see that? So that is basically how to add more than one photo in Instagram story at once. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.